Hi, my name is Daniel Nixon, and today I'll be reading Shoo by Isa Anissa and illustrated by Aparilla Mukhtarina. The sun's heat is sizzling. Many rhinos bathe in mud to cool off, but not Sero. Ew, dirty! Sero's mom calls him to join her and cool off, but Sero doesn't want to get dirty and smelly. Sero tries to cool himself. He waves a fan, he hides in the bushes, but it's still hot. Finally, Sero finds a refreshing breeze, but something is coming. Bzz, bzz. One fly lands on his nose. Shoo, shoo, go away. Bzz, bzz. Two flies land on his head. Shoo, shoo, go away. Bzz, bzz. Three flies land on his ears. Sero is annoyed. He shakes his head. The flies are not bothered. They multiply even more. Arrgh! Shoo, shoo, go away, go away, go away. What should Sero do? To jump in or not? Jump in or not? Splash! Wow, wallowing is actually fun. It is cool and there are no flies. The end. Thanks for reading Shoo. I'm Daniel Nixon and I hope you have a great day.